In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Rust server not loading in menu. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you turn off any VPNs or similar softwares that you are using, and you want to make sure that you are properly connected to your internet through Wi-Fi or the Ethernet cable. From there, you then want to head over to your Steam right here. You want to restart your Steam entirely, so head over to the system tray, click on the exit Steam, and then you want to reopen the game and see if that works. If not, you want to restart your computer, and then you want to head over to the network status or the network reset for Windows. Click on the reset now button, and basically this will reset your network settings on to the factory settings. Right after, head over to your Steam once more, right click on Rust, click on properties, and then you want to head over to the installed files and click on the verify integrity of game files. Basically, what will this do is it will look for corrupted files or missing data installed within the application, and it will try to fix it entirely. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.